Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the Hexa sort game. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're receiving notifications within your panel from the Hexa sort game, then in order to prevent this, just long press on the Hexa sort game within your device and then tap on the info button. This will now take you into the application info page. Now, first tap on force stop at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the app. Now, underneath privacy, just tap on notifications, and if the allow notifications toggle is turned on, then this will enable notifications from the application. So make sure that this toggle is turned off by simply tapping on it, and now you will not receive any more notifications from the Hexa sort game. If you wish to turn this setting back on, you can follow the same steps and simply tap on the toggle to turn it on. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Hexa sort game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.